And hello my union, the gaming union here. Welcome back to another video. We are going to work on commands, I think. Yeah, let's do commands. How about that? So here's another Bukkit plugin tutorial on how to do commands properly. So first let's make a new project. We'll call it commands. Alright. Now within here we're going to make another package. I taught you guys how to make packages in the last one. I'll call this one commands. There. How about that? Let's finish that up. Create a new class, and it's going to be called commands tut. Okay. Now right click, properties, Java build path, add external jars, and Bukkit. Now, got to get that plugin.yml. So we got to new file plugin.yml. Okay, so now that we're back here, let's just actually do our plugin first. So you're going to do extends, Java plugin. Okay. And import. There we go. Okay. Oop. I can't spell. Help me. Okay. Now that we're done with all that setting up... Oh, wow. Okay, I'm failing. Now that we're done with all that setting up crap, let's get to creating our first command. To do this, we are going to... First of all, let's develop the command here. So we're gonna use something public boolean on command. Alright, and we're actually going to add a return statement, of course. And we actually need to have specific parameters in order for this to work. So first we're going to need a command sender. We're going to call it sender. Alright, and we're going to import that. Next, we're going to have command cmd. Let's import command. You want this command. You want org.bukkit.command.command. Alright. Next, you will need string label. Or actually, let's abbreviate LBL. And last but not least, we'll get string array args. So now that we have all that, we can start we can start doing this here. So we'll do if cmd.getName equals, and let's have the command be called test. Alright, we're gonna do a few things in commands here. So we're gonna do if sender instance of player. Alright, so if our commander, or if the thing that enters in the command is a player, then we will create a variable based off of that player, and we'll say player p equals casting it to player and sender. There's that. And we'll do p dot send message. Hi there. How about that? Let's add a little bit. Hi there, you are a player. Now, if it's not from a player, we'll do sender dot send message. Hi there, you are from the console. So there's that. This will actually also send if it's from a command block. I'm not quite sure how to check to see if it's from a command block compared to console, but it doesn't really matter. So, now that we have all that crap done, within here, let's do a quick return true, just so that Bukkit is happy with us. Now, in our plugin.yml, we'll need to add all our stuff, so name will be command test. Name can be really whatever you want. Version 1.7.0 or 0.2.00. Main com.unon10 dot commands test dot commands test. Now we're going to have a separate one, and it's going to be called commands. Alright, now that we have this commands thing, we're going to put in a command called test, because that's what our command is called. And then within the test part, we're going to say description. And the description is determines if determines if the console, or no, sorry, the command was sent by the player or the console. Alright, I think that's all we really need, is the description. There are other things that you can put in here, but for now let's just keep it at this. And I think this should be good. This looks good. So we will export it as a jar file. We'll call it commands test. And we'll finish it up. Now we open up our file here. Oh, in the wrong area here. So Bukkit tutorials, plugins, make sure it's sent, which it did. Let's get rid of our old settingup.jar. Now, if we go to run.bat, we don't have anything in the on enable, by the way, so it won't say anything when it starts up. Oh, and it looks like we have an error. That's unfortunate. Let's see. Oh, that's right, I didn't call it commands test, I call it commands tut. Okay, so that's a quick fix. So change that, save, and reload. Okay. Oh, I didn't re-export. Yep. Remember that whenever you're dealing with the jar, in order for it to appear in console, you need to export it again. There we go. So now it's working. Now if we open up our Minecraft here, let's do that. Starting the launcher, and we'll hit play. And here we go, we're in Minecraft. And I got my Minecade mod on just because I can. So if we connect to our local host here, and we do /test, first of all, it'll appear in our tab menu automatically. And it says, hi there, you are a player. Now, if we do it from in here, and we say test, it says, hi there, you are from the console. That's pretty awesome. Now we're gonna do a little bit more. So you see, not only we don't only have this command, and we don't only have this sender. We also have this label and the args. Label is it's a substitute for cmd.getName, but it's typically just better code to use cmd.getName. Args. So if we type in /test lol lol all of these lols would be considered args, or arguments. So We don't have any specified args, so it'll just say that. Let's say we want to make it so that if you just type in test, it will do what we normally want to do. But if you type in test and then space and then I don't know, let's do test space rubber ducky. Alright? We'll say it. Okay, fine. Rubber ducky. Alright? How about that? Let's do that. So now that we have this set up, we are going to right here within this. Actually, let's put it before. We'll do it right here. So if args dot length is equal to 0, because args is an array, then we'll say p dot send message have a rubber ducky. Actually, there's one more thing that we need to do. And we need to do if args 0, and actually this should be a 1, sorry. If args 0 equals, alright, we should be using dot equals here. Let's do equals ignore case. Rubber ducky, rubber ducky, rubber ducky. We'll say have a rubber ducky. No wait, no, this just be rubber ducky. Yeah, sorry. I got lost in my imagination. So, we'll take this and just slap it right into here. Now we're going to do a quick else. Actually, we'll do a else if args dot length equals 0. Now that we have that, let's see. Yep, so now if it's actually 0, then we'll say that, and we'll say else p dot send message don't do that to me. Alright, because we don't want people using more than one argument here. So if it's anything else besides 0 or 1 arguments, we don't want it to work. Now we can, let's just take all this stuff, copy paste it right over to here. We'll need to replace every single time it says p.sendMessage and replace it with sender.sendMessage. So we'll just do sender.sendMessage. Okay, that works. So if we save that, export, yes. Actually, wait. And consoles can't have rubber duckies, so. Okay, there we go. Now let's export it one more time. Finish, and yes. Now if we reload, oh wow, that was really bad. Whoa, what is going on there? Huh, that was weird. Okay, now if we do /test lol, it'll do nothing because we didn't specify it to do anything in that case. But if we just do /test, it still says that I'm from a player. If I do /test lol, it won't work. But if we do /test rubber ducky, it says have a rubber ducky. So yeah, that's the basics to commands and subcommands. Subcommands being like the rubber ducky, or the arguments, I should say. A little quirk that I completely forgot in here. You should always use equals ignore case. Right now, so since I only saved it, I didn't export it. If I do /test like this, oh, what? That actually works? Dang, that's fancy. Anyway, yeah, it works. Dang, okay. Derp. Okay. Well, anyway, that should be it. That's how you do commands. And I hope that you guys learned from this video. It's beginning to get nighttime. I think next episode we're going to learn about listeners. Or, maybe... yeah, let's do listeners next episode. So, that's it for now. Be prepared for the next Java Bukkit tutorial. These aren't Java tutorials. But yeah, goodbye, my union.